मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you students? I hope you all are healthy and fine at home. And you are watching all the videos carefully. And you are doing your homework and reading the textbook also. So, here again I have come with a new video. Today we are going to learn a new chapter of English grammar. The name of the topic is gender. Chapter or new topic, let's revise the previous one, what we have learned in our previous topic. So what we have learned in our first topic of English grammar? Nouns. Okay? What we have learned? Nouns. So what is a noun? All naming words are called noun, and we have already learned the types of noun. The number one is common noun and the other one is proper noun. So this is our revision, what we have learned in our previous topic. Today we are going to learn gender of nouns. What we are going to learn? Gender of nouns. Now what do you mean by gender? See, gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Okay? Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. Now we'll see the types of gender. The number one is masculine gender. What it is? Masculine. Pronounce it properly, students. The number one is masculine gender. Number two is feminine gender. Number two is feminine gender. Number three is common gender. And number four is neuter gender. So now we will learn each and every gender one by one. Okay? So as we know, the nouns refer to the name of a person, animal, place or thing. Yes or no? A noun means name of a person, place, thing or an animal. So here we can see the persons. Okay? These are the persons in which one is male. In which one is male and the other is female. Okay, students? So what do you mean by male? Now we will see the difference between male and female gender. Okay? Boy or men are male gender, whereas girl or woman are female gender. Here you can see there is a boy and there is a girl. So boy is a male gender and girl is a female gender. See here, this is a male gender, it is called masculine gender. This is a female gender, she is called feminine gender. Okay? Now what is masculine gender? Men, boys and female animals are of the masculine gender. Say again with me. Men, boys and female animals are of the masculine gender. Now we'll see the examples of masculine gender. Now see here, grandfather, father and son, brother, uncle, headmaster, prince, man, and king are the examples of masculine gender. Now we are going to learn what is feminine gender. Women, girls and female animals are of the feminine gender. Say again, women, girls and female animals are of the feminine gender. Now we will see the examples of feminine gender. Grandmother, mother, daughter, sister, aunt, princess, headmistress and queen are the examples of feminine gender. Understood, children? Now we will see the animals and their gender. Okay, children? Just like human being, animals are also have gender. Here we can see the male and female gender. See, horse is male whereas mare is female. Dog is male, bitch is female. Tiger is male animal whereas tigress is female animal. Drake is male bird, duck is female bird. Cock is male, hen is female. Lion is male, lioness is female animal. Bull is male animal whereas cow is female animal. Peacock is male bird whereas peahen is female bird. Understood, children? What you have to do, you have to see this video again and again and try to learn. Okay, students? Now, the next topic of gender is common gender. Now, what is common gender? See, common gender is a noun that can refer to both male and female. Okay? A noun that can refer to both male and female is of the common gender. Understood, children? This is the third type of gender we are learning. Now, what is common gender? See, we will see the examples of common gender. Common gender can be either male or female. It can be male or it can be female. We cannot recognize it by the name of a thing or a noun, like lawyer. Lawyer can be male or can be female. In the same way, artist may be male or may be female. Reporters are also male as well as female. Dancers are also male and female. Architects also male or may be female. In the same way, an astronaut can be male or can be female. Understood, children? The examples of common gender. Here we can see more examples of common gender. See a teacher. Here you can see in this picture, this is a male teacher and this is a female teacher. The singers can be male or female, relatives can be male or female, friend can be male or female. Here you can see pilot can be male or female, an artist can be male or female, a baby can be male or female, cousins can be male or female. Our students are both male as well as female. Nurse may be male, may be female. Our neighbor is also male. Male neighbors are also there, female neighbors are also there. Our parents, maybe if our father is there, it's a male parent. If our mother is there, it is a or she is a female parent. Understood, children? Now, we'll see the fourth one, fourth gender, that is neuter gender. Nouns that are non-living and neither male nor female are said to be of the neuter gender. We cannot differentiate whether it is male or female. That is why it is called neuter gender. Understood, children? So, we'll see the examples of neuter gender. Bus, stars, books, utensils, bucket, mud, desk, pen, table, building, mobile, all these are the examples of neuter gender. Understood, students? I hope you understood the topic properly. Okay? So, here is the summary. What we have learned in this video. So, what we have learned? We have learned the gender of the nouns, correct? Then we have learned the types of gender. The first one is masculine gender, the second one is feminine gender. We have already learned the animals gender. Understood? We have learned the common gender, which may be male or female. And the last one is neuter gender. We cannot differentiate whether it is male or female. So, we call it neuter gender. Understood, children? Now, it's time for homework. So, what is your homework? Question number 1 is complete the following table. Here, masculine and feminine genders columns are there and the blanks are there. You have to complete the blanks by writing the correct gender in it. Understood? You have to copy it in your notebook or rough book. Okay? Now, the question number 2. Write the correct feminine pair of the given animals. Here the male gender of animals are given. You have to write the female pair. Okay? See here, lion, cock, duck, peacock, tiger. We have already learned in this video all the female pair of these animals. Understood? So, you have to complete it. Now, question number 3. You have to write two examples of each type of the genders. For example, you have to write masculine genders 2 examples, feminine genders 2 examples, and this way you have to complete the table. So, here we complete our topic. You complete your homework and see the video again and again. Soon we will meet with our next lesson. Till then, take care, be home, be safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khaira.